Hi, I'm Ashikur Rahman from Accounting Celebrity. Welcome to my channel where I upload accounting tutorials weekly. Today I'll show you how to prepare sales ledger control account. Let's get started. Okay, look at the board here. First of all, we have this format. Here we have 3 columns, here we have 3 columns. Total we have 6 columns in this ledger account, and if you want you can draw a folio column here and one more folio column here as well. Okay, and we listed some items here in the debit side and some items here in the credit side. Here we have 6 items. Yeah, these are the only 6 items you have to record in the credit side of sales ledger control account. And these are only 4 items we have to record in the debit side of sales ledger control account. Okay, so what we calculate in a sales ledger control account? You know, this account is all about calculation of closing balance of trade receivable. Okay, so if you see that your trade receivable, by making the transaction, your trade receivable is increasing, you have to record in the debit side. Okay, so trade receivables. Okay, so if it is increasing, so we have to record in the debit side. If our trade receivable decreases, then we have to record in the credit side. Okay, so here look at these items: sales return, discount allowed, cash and bank, bad debts, contra set off. This will reduce the value of trade receivable or debtor, whatever you call. That is the result we will record here in this side. Okay, credit side, and these items will obviously increase the value of trade receivable or debtor. So we are going to record them here in the debit side. I hope you can remember these 10 items. Okay, debit side 4 items and credit side 6 items. Okay, first of all we have to record the balance, the opening balance, which is called balance brought down, balance BD. Okay, so basically if balance BD is not identified, not specified in the question, whether it is a debit balance or credit balance, we will write in the debit side. Okay, sometimes you may have 2 balances, one is debit balance, one is credit balance. If you have debit balance, we have to write in the debit side. If we see credit balance, we have to record in the credit side. Okay, fine. So look at the question here. What is written? As per provide the following information. Okay, at 1st July 2013, total trade receivables was $4,100. Okay, so this is the balance. This is the opening balance, balance BD. Okay, so it is not mentioned here. It is debit balance or credit balance. Already I told you, it is, if it is not specified, you think that it is a debit balance. Okay, let us write here. Date is given 1st July 2013. So 2013 July 1. Okay, so we will write here balance brought down BD. The amount is given in the question, $4,100. Okay, so here in the question we have some purchase related transactions, some sales related transactions. So we are doing sales ledger control account, so obviously we will take all the sales related transactions. Okay, sometimes you are confused about customer and supplier. So if you see these words customer, you will take items to record here in this control account. If you see that supplier, you will not take this. Okay, because this type of transaction will go to the purchase ledger control account. Next time I will show you how to prepare purchase ledger control account. By the way, check out my channel. There are so many tutorials on control account. I'll link to the playlist here in the I button. You can watch it. Okay, look at the transaction once again. For the year ended 30 June 2014, cash sales. So it is a control account, so we do not include any kinds of cash sale. So go to the next one, credit sales 48,610. When you sell goods on credit, your trade receivable will be increased. Yeah, so here already we know sales will be recorded in the debit side. Okay, so let us write date is here 2014 June 30. Okay, so we'll write here sales. So value is given in the question 48,610. Okay, good, we recorded. Okay, next one is here returns of credit sales. Yes, sales return will be recorded where? Here, no. It will reduce the value of trade receivable, which is a current asset. So sales return is here in the credit side. So we have to record in the credit side. So let us write the date first, 2014, June 30. So we'll write here sales return. So the value is $1,001. Okay, finished. Next one we have here a credit purchase. Yeah, we are not doing purchase ledger control account, so we are not going to take this item. Okay, then what is written? Returns of credit purchase. So this item will not be included. It will go to the purchase ledger control account. Okay, so receipt from the customer. So how it is received? By check or in cash? It is not mentioned. So if you want to write bank, it is also fine. If you want to write cash, it is also fine. So let us record here. Receipt means it will be recorded here in the credit side. Okay, because if we receive money from the trade receivable, our current asset means trade receivable or debtor will be decreased. Yeah, so we have to record in the credit side. So let us write all transaction will be on same date. Yeah, so here we have to write cash, or if you want to write here bank, it is also fine. $45,702. Okay, simple to understand. Okay, next one we have payment to credit supplier. This transaction will not come because it will go to the purchase ledger control account. Okay, next one is discount allowed. Yes, discount allowed will be included. Which side? It is in the credit side. Already I mentioned, already I told you. So let us write here discount allowed. The value is here $890. Finished. Next one is here discount receipt. Discount receipt will be recorded in the purchase ledger control account. We will not take this here. Okay, great. Bad debt written off. The next one. So bad debt written off. Here we know that bad debts will be recorded in the credit side because this will decrease the value of trade receivable. Okay, so let us write here bad debts. Okay, the value is here $274. Great, we recorded. Okay, now look at the next one. Interest charge. Okay, what is it? $77. Yes, interest charge will come. Which side? This side? No, it will be recorded in the debit side because this will increase the value of trade receivable. Okay, so let us write here interest charge. Okay, it is $77. Okay, so we recorded all the transactions in this sales ledger control account. Now what to do? Now we have to balance it. Yeah, look at the question once again. What is our requirement? Here it is written that prepare the sales ledger control account and the purchase ledger control account for the year ended 30 June 2014. Balance the accounts and bring down the balance on 1st July 2014. Okay, so we are asked to prepare sales ledger control account and purchase ledger control account. So today I'm going to show you only sales ledger control account. So we also asked to balance it. Okay, and then we have to bring down this balance in 2014. Okay, so here we have to balance it, but how to balance? Okay, to balance it, first of all you have to compare the two dollar columns, this dollar column and this dollar column. What to compare? You compare the value, the price, the money is written here. Which column is greater in terms of money? So if we check, we find the debit column is greater. Yeah, so let us add the debit column first. So if we add, what we get? 52,787. Okay, now we have to draw double line. Okay, which means closing line. Okay, now we will take the same amount to the opposite side, that means in the credit side. So come here and write the value 52,787. Okay, now we have to subtract this all four values from this total. Okay, so if we subtract, we get 4,920. Okay, so what does this value call? This is called balance CD. Means we carry down this balance here. Okay, so the date for balance CD will be the last day of the month. So it is 30 June already, you know, it's written there 30 June. So we can write here also June 30. Okay, now in the question it is said that to bring down. Okay, to bring down this balance. So how to bring down? Just take this amount to the opposite side, just below the total. Okay, so let us write here balance bring down, BD means brought down. Okay, so same value $4,920. Okay, and the date will be the first day of next month. Okay, so next month is here, it is June, so next month will be July. Okay, July 1st. So very simple, yeah. This is how you need to prepare control account. So this question we are asked to calculate the closing balance, but sometimes you need to calculate the sales, sometimes discount allowed, sometimes interest charged. Okay, different types of question you have in the control account. So I have different types of video on control account. You can check out my channel. Okay, so this is all about today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed, you understood this lesson, and please consider subscribing to our channel because you find there so many other videos. Okay, this will help you to understand, to learn accounting. Okay, so I'll see you soon with new video. Until then, you stay safe. Bye bye and take care.